What's going on, guys? If you currently have a pressure washer at home or are looking for a simpler way to organize your pressure washer hose along with the power cord, you may want to check out this new to the market Giraffe electric pressure washer. What makes this one so nice is the ability to mount it directly on the wall with the auto retracting hose reel. My name is Evan, and if you're new here, welcome. I previously had the first generation Giraffe pressure washer and it was awesome. They recently sent me their updated Pro version of this, which now has a metal foam gun in contrast to the plastic version in Gen 1, an upgraded ultra soft pressure hose, a quieter performance at 80 decibels versus the old version at 93 decibels. This all-in-one pressure washer has made it so much easier now to wash our cars at home, along with the ability to use it for other projects including the sidewalk, the house siding, and many other cleaning activities. The pressure washer generates a maximum 3,300 psi at 1.6 gallons per minute, which is excellent on water efficiency. The hose length is 100 feet to reach many items, and it also comes with a soap bottle, a spray gun with various other quick connect nozzles. I'm going to show you how I install this along with more details on how it works. I'll provide links below this video should you be interested in getting this wall mount pressure washer yourself. When first opening the box, you'll notice the spray gun and the nozzle attachment to store your spray nozzles, and this bag with the soap cannon attachment, your screws, a leveler, a garden hose attachment, and the spray nozzles. Looking at the unit of the box, we can see it's already assembled. On the left hand side we have the garden hose attachment, and on the other side we have an on and off switch. There are two carrying handles on the side should you want to remove it from the wall and store it in another location. Comparing the two models side by side, we can see they look very similar, but the Pro version is slightly taller, and also we can see the noise differences from 93 decibels now down to 80. I'll show you here in a moment the real sound difference when I turn these units on. The old model also has this garden hose attachment, and now the new one does not, as we just have to connect the included garden hose, which has a built-in filter. Now, because my old wall plate is the exact same as the first model, I'm just going to leave it on the wall. Here is the video of me installing it at my last home. First, remove the wall plate on the back of this pressure washer by taking off the twisty tie. The mount should fall right down. You can see how this is wall mounted onto the wall as it just slides into both slots. The entire unit is held onto the wall by gravity. Get an idea where you want to install this. I would highly recommend you try to install this onto a stud and not solely rely on drywall anchors for the 4 holes. In this case, I'll use the 2 holes on the right to screw directly into the wall studs, and the other 2 holes will have drywall anchors. I took off the entire mount and ultimately had to install the lower mount to avoid the steel plate behind the drywall. I also added my own washers to help fully hold on this bracket. Now it's just a matter of plugging it into the wall and connecting your garden hose up to it. I decided to redo my internal plumbing line as this unit sits up a little higher than the last one. This is not required on your end, but I just wanted a cleaner look in the garage. Doing a comparison of both models from my previous video, I first noticed the quieter motor sound. They did a great job at dampening the noise. You can see how easy it is now just to pull on the hose, and the rear will auto retract when done pulling the length you want. Pull on the hose again, it will start to auto retract back into the wheel. The hose again is 100 feet, which I think is more than enough to get some of the cleaning done around your home. This includes the sidewalks and exterior home washing. I use this pressure washer surface cleaner on my driveway and sidewalks about once a year, and it works wonders. Not only is it a time saver, but this Giraffe pressure washer works great with it. For car cleaning, I use the included soap foam cannon with the part water and part soap, and it's produced excellent foam that clinged right to the car. Washing down the Tesla with the green spray nozzle, it did a great job at auto turning on when holding down the trigger and then turning off when releasing the trigger. I just can't get over how much more quiet it is. Maybe my neighbors won't be so angry anymore, as my old pressure washer was so loud in the morning. This new pressure washer also comes with a 2-year warranty should any issues arise. Overall, I'm very pleased with this new pressure washer. Cleanup is now a breeze, and the garage looks a little more neat and organized with all the cords off the ground. Be sure to check out the links below this video to show you where I got all the items you saw. Again, my name is Evan. Until the next one, see you guys.